Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2016 BMW 220 M Sport. This car comes with the 2-litre petrol turbo engine and the automatic gearbox, which is Euro 6 compliant, producing 181 brake horsepower while still returning up to 46 miles per gallon. And the car has just over 18,000 miles on the clock and comes with full service history from BMW. As you can see, the black sapphire metallic paintwork looks in really good condition for the age and mileage of the car. As we open the doors, got the red leather seats there, which look really striking, and they're also heated, ideal for the winter months. A few features worth mentioning: you've got the multimedia screen there in the centre for your satellite navigation, Bluetooth and DAB radio, and this car also has climate control and automatic headlights and wipers, just to mention a few features there. As we open the tailgate, you've got a boot there that goes back quite a way and a bit of extra storage underneath the boot floor as well. Externally, the car comes with daytime running lights, front and rear parking sensors, and also the twin spoke 18-inch alloy wheels. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty, which you can extend up to 3 years, and we offer finance of just 9.9%. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, please give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.